Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to whiten your teeth. How to remove dental plaque in 5 minutes and naturally without going to the dentist. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of water, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now brush your teeth with this mixture for 3 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends or family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.